Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my new video. So in this video I'm going to show another problem which is way too long words, so you can read this question appropriately. So here basic thing is you when you first line you have to take integer and you have to take same type of integer, same amount of integer, same amount of string from your user. Then you have to check the length of the word is greater than uh, 10 or not. If it's greater than 10, then output should be first letter of your word and then um, the length of the length of the string minus 2 and the last year of the string, last letter of the string. So if and otherwise when the length of the string is less than or is equal to 10, then output should be the same string. So here you can see the answer. So we we go to we have a better discussion. Here you can see, here in the first string you can see word length is here, the length of the string is 4. So output is word because its length is not greater than uh, 10. And then into the second, in C localization, the length of this word is 12, so it's greater than 10. For this reason the output is the first string, the first letter of the string, and then the length minus 2 and the last letter of the word. So third and fourth is about same because the length of those string is greater than the length of those string greater than 10. So here we have a class which is named main, and here we also have main function and scanner class and also packages. So we write import.util.start, and then we have to take a input from our users. So we write int n is equal to sc.next in. After that we have to run a loop which is for loop. Here we take another variable which is I, and it should be integer, and we initialize it by 0, and we write I is less than n and I plus plus. And then here we take input string from our users, so we write string str is equal to sc.next. Here we unfortunately write int, so it occurs error. So here you can see we uh, we write int length is equal to str dot length. So we want to get the length of those strings. So then we write run a if loop. Here the condition is if length is greater than 10, then output should be, we already told this, the output should be the first word of the string and the length of string minus 10 minus 2 and the of the last word of string. So first of all we write a semicolon and then plus str dot char at 0 because we want the first letter of the string, and then we write plus length minus 2. It means here string length minus 2. So then we write plus str dot char at length minus 1. It means it is the last letter of the string. And then if the input doesn't obey this or doesn't maintain this condition, then we write else loop here. So we write else. It means when the area of the length of string is less than uh, 10 or is equal to 10, then output should be is the same string. So we write system.out.println, and into the bracket we write str and then we copy our example from our question and paste here to check if it's work or not. So we copy the example, and then you can see here occurs a error which for sc dot next in. So we here write sc dot next, and then we paste our example here. So you can see the answer is about same our question. So after that, so thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.